Hey bag babes, it's your girl Nashe. Welcome back to another Mystery Box Monday. This box is humongous. It's humongous. So I wanted to get it on camera so you can see how big this girl is. What in the world? So again, you know the story. I'm not sure when I bought this. I hopefully will be able to see a receipt or something in there that will indicate when exactly I made this purchase. And as you know, she's just been sitting around just like waiting for some love for definitely, more than likely, over a year. And we are gonna unbox her in a second. Like I said, I just want you to see the size of this baby girl. I believe this one's from Coach, if I'm not mistaken, but I don't know what is in this box. So we're gonna jump right in. We are deep in our Mystery Box Mondays. For those who tune in every Monday, thank you for rolling with me. We are making a dent in the pile. We have a few more to go, and then we'll be done with our Mystery Box Mondays, but we're still knee deep in this. So put on your seatbelts and continue to enjoy the ride. And without further delay, let's get inside this box. All right, guys, I have my handy dandy scissor in hand. There's no slits in the box this week, so this is a true mystery. Well, last week was a true mystery too that I still haven't even solved, but this girl right here has not been opened. No slits in the tape, no nothing. So let's get in there. First flap is open. Second flap is about to be open. All right. What in the world did I buy? Really, what did I buy? All right, I don't want to hurt my little house plant over here, so let me be careful. All right, I'm gonna tilt it up a little bit so you can see as I pull her out. Get all this stuff in there. I'm trying to do this before I hear the garage door and my children jump out the car, because that's why I post these later than I like, because once these children get home, yeah, life is a whole different story. Here's the receipt. We'll take a look at this in a second. And here is the bag. What in the world? Like, what did I buy from Coach that was this big? I don't know. I do not know. All right, so here is the bag. It's giving book bag. It's really giving book bag. Okay. Okay, what is this? You guys, I don't remember. I do not remember. Do you guys know what bag this is? What bag is this? What bag is this? Let me grab the receipt. 1 second. Okay, so per the receipt, this is the LTH. Not sure what that stands for. Christy, it looks like. KRSTY in black. Now I ordered this on 7/31/2022. Just wow. Just wow. Let me take off some of this wrapping. The Christy. I remember this silhouette. Let me see. Here's the inner part. I'm sure you guys, you Coach girls, know what bag this is. I'm just seeing Christy, KRSTY. Okay, well, she's definitely spacious. Pebble leather. We have some gold hardware. She feels really nice and sturdy, my kind of gal. No feet on the bottom. And so she has the compartment here, compartment there. So front and back compartment that snaps closed, looks like with a magnet. And then we have a middle section that zippers. All right. She's nice and spacious. I'm not going to take everything out because I don't have a whole lot of time to work with right now. And I wanted to get this video recorded and uploaded. But here is the inside of that. Everything is dark, really black on black on black, other than that gold hardware. Yep, cloth lining, zipper in the back, zipper on the front. I like this girl. I'm gonna look her up online so I can like remember a little bit more. It looks like she'll pass the elbow test here. And I'm liking her. I really am liking her. I'm just trying to like remember. Honestly, I was not like all these purchases. I'm not a huge drinker. I'm just gonna say that right now. I don't drink a whole lot. You know, it's a no, just say no to drugs situation for me. So I'm not high and I'm not drunk when I'm making these purchases. And so I am so sorry that I do not remember officially buying her, but I know I did. Trust me, the credit card shows that I did. But I like her. I like Miss Christie. I'm going to go look her up online and see if I can get some more information. Something about her called me to her. She's a gorgeous gal. She definitely will fit into my lifestyle. I really sort of kind of want to jump into her right now, but I'm doing like a spring thing, so I don't know if I will do that. But I don't even really want to have her wait until like it's dark bag season. So I don't know. I'm a little perplexed. But I will definitely put her up and get her, you know, put her in a nice dust bag and get her ready. I'm going to have to buy some kind of cabinet to house all these new bags that I now have finally opened, because there's no there's no space. There is no space, you all, for these bags. The space is in my heart. The space is in my heart. So thank you for stopping by and checking out another Mystery Box Monday. I will see you all again next Monday with another bag babe, and I will talk to y'all soon. Peace and love.